Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing how to effectively manage Transportation Information Systems or TIS. Our main goals are to understand how knowledge management and expert systems can help TIS managers make better decisions, to assess how management support systems can improve efficiency, and to define the roles and responsibilities of TIS managers in ensuring the system's strategic value and sustainability. Let's start by defining what we mean by knowledge. It's more than just data or information, it gives a higher level of meaning. The ability to act on this meaning is crucial. Data are simply facts, measurements, and statistics. Information is organized and processed data that's timely and accurate. Knowledge, then, is information that's contextual, relevant, and actionable. Now, let's talk about knowledge management or KM. KM helps organizations find, select, organize, share, and transfer important information and expertise. Structuring knowledge allows for more effective problem-solving, dynamic learning, strategic planning, and decision-making. KM initiatives focus on identifying knowledge, sharing it formally, and leveraging its value. Ultimately, knowledge management can promote organizational learning and help solve problems. This slide presents a summary table. This slide focuses on explicit knowledge. This is formal, codified knowledge that's easily shared. It can be written down, stored, and transferred without needing personal interaction. In TIS, examples include user manuals, standard operating procedures, and traffic regulations. Explicit knowledge is easy to document, can be digitized, is accessible to many users, and is important for ensuring consistency, facilitating training, and enhancing system efficiency. Now, let's discuss tacit knowledge. This is personal, experience-based knowledge that's hard to express or document. It's based on individual expertise and intuition. In TIS, this might be a traffic controller's ability to detect traffic flow patterns or experience-based judgment in rerouting traffic. Tacit knowledge is hard to formalize, is acquired through experience, and is often shared through observation. It enhances system responsiveness, supports problem-solving, and complements explicit knowledge. Here's a comparison between explicit and tacit knowledge. Explicit knowledge is formal and documented, while tacit knowledge is personal and experience-based. Explicit knowledge is easily transferred through documents, while tacit knowledge requires observation and mentoring. Examples in TIS include traffic manuals versus a controller's instinct. Explicit knowledge is learned through instruction, while tacit knowledge is learned through experience. This slide illustrates the knowledge management cycle. It's a continuous process involving creating, capturing, refining, storing, managing, and disseminating knowledge. We generate new knowledge, collect explicit and tacit knowledge, validate and organize this knowledge, securely store it, classify and control access to it, and share it with the right users. Let's look at an example. A city transportation agency introduces a real-time passenger feedback system. Based on this feedback and service data, they create new routing strategies to reduce congestion. They also interview experienced bus drivers to capture tacit knowledge and collect maintenance logs for explicit knowledge. Continuing the example, the collected data is reviewed, categorized, and formatted into a best practices manual. All documents are stored in a secure digital repository. A knowledge officer assigns tags and controls access. Finally, this knowledge is shared through training workshops and collaborative platforms to improve urban transport. That concludes this section. Thank you for your time.